So for a quick start of using this ergonomic calculator, let's just click on the our version of this project and click on the link to the kitchen working triangle model. So let's start by designing a ergonomic kitchen. So ergonomic design is about designs considering human factors. So this model is considering the planar layout of a kitchen, and the location of the 3 points stands for the planar location of the refrigerator, workstand, and the sink. So if you search for um, kitchen, kitchen working triangle, uh, and you see there's a model from the which was somebody came up with a model in around 1920s and state that if this workspace be ergonomic, this form of the triangle must fit in those principles. So it has restriction of the leg length of the triangle and the perimeters of the triangles and some other restrictions. So to make this calculation easier, you could start by designing by planning your kitchen and say if I get a 3 times 4 kitchen, I could start by positioning the different things. I could put the x coordinate of the first point and the y coordinate of the first point, and say the point moves. And if this one stands for the location of the sink, I could start to consider another point called B. I could move around this. I could move around this and say if I want to position it, if I want to put it here, and it's automatically calculating the aspects of this layout. If the size and parameter fits the principle of a working triangle, and say that this parameter is too large. So to move, now I get 2 points to find, and I want to define the third point, but there's moving it, maybe not a best solution. So I could click on plot range for C, and the green arrow stands for the feasible range of C. So I could move that to the green arrow and see this location. You could save this data set by either copy and paste, or you could select content, this basic geometry, the coordinates and rating, or you could download a full data set and name it My Kitchen. And you could save it as a data file, as a CSV file. And you could also download the plot by right-click and then copy the image, and or you could save the image from the flip page directly. So this project cover a range of models, and more models are to be developed for to design different things. So another thing to consider is to use other tools like this GeoGebra working templates for different layouts. And you see, you could put restrictions on the size by moving the position of these lines. And similarly, you could position the edge of the triangle, and they automatically calculate for similar things. And if you don't get the triangular kitchen, you could try different like circle layout or different layouts. The original version of this ErgoCheck has models to design not only ergonomic planner workspace, but also ergonomic rooms, and a bunch of other models are to be implemented later.